Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On this video, I'm going to show you guys how to revert your background remover on Canva. So as you can see, I have a picture here that already removed the background by Canva. And then how to restore your background on this image is very easy. You just click edit image on the upper here. And then you click the settings on BG remover, or it will be pop up the configure option. You just click on that. Just wait a while, maybe because my laptop is quite lagging. And then on below here, you can see that there is an option of reset tools. So I just click this reset tools and then confirm that I want to reset the BG remover or the background remover, and then click the confirm. That's it. Now my image already restore the background. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you think this content is helpful for you, please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.